Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Keya's Craze. Today I'm going to show you an easy flower hand embroidery. It's a rose flower. You can make it with this golden lace. You can take any kind of golden lace. Here I have taken 1-inch golden lace, and you can make a rose out of this lace like this. You can apply this embroidery on your kurti or kameez neckline like this. You can repeat this design on your neck like this. Here I have taken these plastic beads. These are pipe beads. You can use any kind of synthetic fabric which is suitable for you for this hand embroidery design. Here I have used chosha cotton for this hand embroidery. So if you like this technique, then please give a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.